They say you should drain your air compressor every time you use it, or at least once a week. The problem is, once these drain valves get old, they start to wear out and they're really difficult to drain. If you're having this problem too, then I'll show you how to change it. It's really not that difficult. So in this video, I'm going to replace my old drain valve with a new one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how much easier it is to drain this now that we got a new drain valve on there. All right, let's make sure there's no air left in here. It says 0. All right, let's get down to the pressure release valve. This is what we would open up to let any condensation that's built up in here out so that it doesn't start to rust and compromise the tank. So this is really hard to empty, so I want to go ahead and replace this valve here. Go ahead and unscrew it. Okay, it looks like it's a 9/16. And we got plenty of room in here so we can clear the little bing on there. Alright, there it is. There's the old one. Looks like that is some rust in there. So, yeah, definitely we need to be draining this so that that rust doesn't build up. So here's the new pressure release valve, and it's got a little nib here that we can turn to open and close. So that'll be a lot easier to use. So we'll go ahead and put this one in. Switch this around and do righty-tighty. We don't want to over tighten it, but we want it in there pretty good. Alright, that feels pretty good. And then that would be closed, and that would be open. Alright, now let's test it out. It's a 2-pack of the drain release valves. I got these on Amazon. I'll have an affiliate link in the description if you want to go check it out. It says, warning, rusted tank can cause explosion and severe or fatal injury. Drain tank daily or after each use. Drain valve located on the bottom of the tank. Here's a few different ways you can let the air out. You can just pull the hose off right here and let it shoot out, but that's not really ideal. You're better off opening this up here to release the pressure. This thing can be a little bit tight. You might need to use a pair of pliers to loosen it up. But once you get it loosened up, it's pretty easy to adjust. You can just open this thing up all the way there and start draining it. Well, that's good. It seems pretty dry down here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how much easier it is to drain this now that we got a new drain valve on there.